Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Subaru Impreza. First, find a safe, level spot away from traffic, ensuring you have plenty of room to work. Engage your parking brake and put the car in park or a low gear to prevent any movement. Gather your essential tools, your spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Also, consult your owner's manual for specific jack points. Before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, locate the correct jack point on your Subaru Impreza's frame, as indicated in your owner's manual. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Now that the car is lifted, you can fully remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push the spare onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring the spare is securely in place. Once the car is safely on the ground, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Double-check that they are secure. Remember, spare tires are often temporary, so check its pressure and drive carefully to a service center for a full-sized replacement or repair. For more great resources and deals, including a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth*, check out the description below. Staying prepared and informed is key for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.